Hello everyone and welcome to break 4088 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, December 31st, 2020. It's 11:45 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:45 p.m. Central Time, and 8:45 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Macwell 5 spots, JD 1, Soccer 1, 904 3, Goalie 4, George 2, BLF 2, Kohanbe 2, MS 5, Sandy 3, Robberman 1, and Repair with 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Macwell's on top, Elite on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has MS on top, Sandy on the bottom. MS with the Diamondbacks, George Braves, 904 Orioles, Goalie Red Sox, Kohanbe Cubs, Macwell White Sox Reds, Kohanbe Indians, Repair Rockies, George Tigers, MS Astros, 904 Royals, MS Angels, Macwell Dodgers, BLF Marlins, Sandy Brewers, Robberman Twins, Goalie Mets, MS Yankees, Goalie Athletics, Soccer Phillies, 904 Pirates, Macwell Padres, Goalie Giants, JD Mariners, Sandy Cardinals, Macwell Rays, MS Rangers, BLF Blue Jays, and last but not least, Sandy has the Nationals. And we are all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And who do we have here? Why is this a Lou? 22 out of 40. Chicago Cubs. Congrats to the Cubbies. And we're empty, by the way. Chicago Cubs. Who has the Cubbies? Cubbies. Kohanbe. Congrats. That was break 4088 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And up next is break 4114 for the P2J NFL. Thanks.